Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on business courses with Harvard Online detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching the available business courses offered by Harvard Online. Visit the Harvard Online Learning website to explore the course catalog. Identify the specific business courses that align with your career goals. Take note of the course duration, structure, and pricing. Look for any free introductory sessions or materials provided. Consider enrolling in a free or low-cost course to gauge the teaching style and content. Sign up for email newsletters from Harvard Online for updates on special offers or discounts. Join relevant online forums or social media groups focused on online learning. Engage with the community to find insights on effective learning paths. Follow Harvard Online social media pages for promotional offers. Look for financial aid options that may be available for specific courses. If applicable, verify whether your employer offers tuition reimbursement for professional development courses. Compare the prices of Harvard Online courses with similar offerings from other platforms. Take advantage of bundle offers if you're interested in multiple courses. Utilize trial periods or money-back guarantees when available. Plan your study schedule to maximize the value of your investment. Seek out alumni testimonials or reviews on the courses you're considering. Make sure to complete any prerequisites before enrolling in advanced courses. Leverage discounts for students or professionals in specific fields, if applicable. After completing a course, request a certificate to showcase your achievements. Continuously seek new learning opportunities to further enhance your skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.